Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I am going to be unboxing the VillaBeautifful Tutti Frutti kit. So let's get started. So this month's basic kit came packaged in this transparent zipper pouch with like a watermelon seed print and different fruits on there. We've got pineapples, bananas, watermelons, and then the logo here at the bottom. Something new this month to the kit, we get a pack of puffy stickers, and they are on transparent paper, which I love because you can like lay them on the background of whatever it is you're wanting to place them on and see how it's going to look on there, where you want to place it, like before you put it down. It's just something I love about transparent paper. So we've got gummy bears, some fruits, ice cream, and quotes. And the tab stickers have made a comeback for this month. So this first one looks like a kind of hollow gold foiling to them, and you've got all the different labels here, and then this bottom one just has strawberries. And then this next sheet has all of the different fruit patterns to match the rest of the Tutti Frutti kit. Next up, we've got a list pad or a notepad here, lots of pages, kind of a fun abstract print on there with some foiled details. See if you can catch that in the sunlight. Okay, so it's not a magnetic back, it's just the regular back. Let's see if the tops are not sticky. So these are just like to pull out. You can also punch them, cut them down to fit in the micros, which is like all the rage right now in the planner community, or just slip them into your pockets, keep them in your purse, however you want to do it. Lots of cute ways to use these. And then we've got a large 5x7 journaling card with hollow details that says life is better with friends, and you've got your cute little lineup of assorted gummy bears, and that just has a plain back, so you can decorate that with fun washi or layer on some of the other smaller journaling cards, glue those on there with some paper or something. That'd be cute. And then the 4x6 card is an ice cream cone that says you're cool. And I really love, these are kind of like throwback retro patterns here that she used with all the fun summer colors. And then we have the smaller journaling cards I'll flip through. So first up, we have a pile of gummy bears that says berry fun, stay sweet, and that's surrounded by all kinds of berries and cherries. And then we've got the pineapple card that says be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet inside. I love this one. It's got the prettiest soft pink background. It says you're one in a melon. I love watermelons. They're so good. And then this lemon and lime print that says squeeze the day. And this month we get another fun enamel pin. This one is a bright yellow gummy bear holding a striped planner and wearing the prettiest little pink glitter bow. Next up, we have the Dangle Charm planner clips. Let me take these off and I'll give you a better look, but here's a little close-up of the cherry and pineapple charms. And here's what they look like off of the backer card. So you've got your main fruit charms here, and then lots of colorful extra charms to make the perfect little jingle whenever you hang them off of your planners. Next up, we have the sticker book. We've got Tutti Frutti here, the name of the kit, and the date when it came out. So let's start with the page of full boxes here, and it does have that same pretty, it looks very hollow gold to me. I think that's what it is. So let's get a close-up of those. And then we've got the foiled icons, some labels, bill stickers, and then a sheet of more full boxes so you can write in your own things. I love these clipboards, some quarter boxes down at the bottom. And then you've got a full page of half boxes, and they do have foiling on there as well. Then this page of labels and headers. Another full page of deco with some quotes in there. Lots of gummy bears to use in this kit. And then we've got date covers, some arrows, banners, some tabs down here. Got your checklist, flags, and banners. And then the extra Hobonichi page on here, that is a relatively new addition to the kits. These would also probably work really well in the micros just because they're so small, or monthly planners, different things like that where the layouts are typically smaller. Lots of fun stickers in this one. And the washi's this month, we've got skinny and standard. The standard size is a roll of gummy bears, and then the skinny looks like an assortment of fruit. So I will take those out and do a rollout of those. All right, here is the standard size, and it does have the smallest flecks of foiling on there. I'm trying to catch it in the light. There we go. Lots of pretty gummy bears. And this is the skinny roll, and it has the assortment of fruits with little speckles of foiling on there as well. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus on there. Here we go. These are really cute. And the last piece of the basic kit is this beauty, the Tutti Frutti kit pin. So we've got gold hardware, a really soft pink barrel, kind of a yellow gold tinted logo there. And then of course a beautiful mix of crystals for the Tutti Frutti kit. And then each kit also comes with a refill. If you check in the group, Tiffany has done an update about the new inks, so be sure to check that out, and you can grab more of these in the shop. And next I'm going to flip through the paper pack add-ons. So that is a separate purchase during pre-orders. 4 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch paper. So we've got some really great patterns on this one, very abstract. She always includes a lot of these abstract kind of prints on there. And you've got your gummy bear print. Oh, I love these dots. They're like brushstroke dots. I like those. And then we've got this abstract mixed with fruit, and then some more brush strokes. I think my favorite out of all of these are gonna be the cherry print and then these dots. I love those. And then in addition to these 4 sheets, you also get 2 specialty sheets with each paper pack. This month is 2 vellums. So we've got the fruit here, and then another one of the kind of graphic line prints. While I have you on here really quickly, I just wanted to share the pins from the latest VillaBeautifful pin release. So this is the collection where all of the pins were based on places that Tiffany has actually traveled herself. And if you missed out on this release, be sure to follow her over on Instagram and join her Facebook group. She always posts about restock dates on there and sets up reminders and things. And there's also a BST group that is separate from the main group. I'll link both of those in the description of this video so you can check them out. But people are always destashing and in search of new pins there. So that is a pretty good place to look if you're just starting out your collection or looking for some of your unicorn pins. And here is just a close-up of all of these. This one right here, the second one, kind of minty, is based on the Philippines, and it is my favorite one. I love that shade. And that does it for this unboxing. Y'all know the drill. Check out the description below for all the links to the shops, to my Instagram, for all of my discount codes for different teams. And if you have any questions, drop those in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it and hope that you'll check in next time.